Morning Year 5s, it is Thursday and it is our maths. Another standard drizzly day at the moment, but I hope if you're interested in the football that you did sit and watch some of the football yesterday. Anyway, on with our do now for our maths. So, fractions first, should be pretty sorted with these now. So, 20 times 3, so 2 times 3 is 6, so 60, add 2, 62. 62 thirds. 9/9 is going to be a whole, and then 3 more to get to 12. And this one here, what shall I do today? Let's make that one 20. Because I can't divide that one by 4. So let's make this one 20. So you times that by 4, times that by 4. Do the same to both. So we've got 15 and 8, which is 23. So 23 20ths, or 1 and 3 20ths. Estimate how many litres are in a plant pot. I'm talking the normal standard outside plant pot. I'm gonna go for 2 litres, maybe 1.5 litres. That'd be an interesting one to check today. Depends on the size of your plant pot as well. Next one, I'm going to show you the next one. So this one here, cube A and cuboid B have the same volume. So you've got 6 by 4, but you don't know the length of the cuboid. Whereas A, you've only got 6, but remember it's a cuboid, so the faces are squares, so everything's the same. So you know it's 6 by 6 by 6, okay? So, first of all, you've got all the information for A. So A is 6 by 6 by 6, which is, well, 6 times 6 is 36. Let's just check what that is by 6. 6 6 is 36. 3 times 6, 6 to 18, 19, 20, 21, 216. Oops. 216. So that's A. Now for B, we've got 6 times 4, which is 24. So now we need 24 times something to get 216. Well, 24 times 10 is going to be 240, which is pretty close. So why not times it by something that's close to 10? Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the one below. So let's do 24 times 9. 9 times is 36. Oh. 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, you got it in one. So the question mark one is 9. Okay, so for this one here, whenever you've got a missing thing in an answer like that, always look at, okay, so what happens if I times it by 10? What happens if I doubled it to 2? Was that close? Just to give you a good starting point. 45% of 50. Well, again, look, similar to yesterday, we're very close to 50% here. Or, yes, we're very close to 50% and we can find 5, can't we? So let's find 5 first. So 5%, remember, if you find 10, it's half of it, isn't it? So 10% is 5, so half of that is 2.5. So we've got the 5. To be fair, we've already found the 10. We could just times that by 4 now, couldn't we? Seeing as we've got the 10, so just times that by 4, which is 20. So 45% is going to be 22.5. I was about to find 50%, which was 25, take another 5 off. There's 2 ways of doing that one. 2% of 150, well, 1% is 1.5. So 2% is going to be 3. 20% of 234 metres, well, 10% is 23.4. That's 10%. So 20% is going to be double that. So 8. There you go. Just double each number there. That's quite nice. Oh, and then 20% off of £45. Now I was in the hub yesterday and talking to a couple, and what they were doing was finding 20% off 45, just like we've been doing up here. But that extra F, making of to off, makes all the difference. You have to find 20% and subtract it from this. So 10% is £4.50. So 20% is going to be, well, double 4 is 8, and 250p's is another £1. So 20% is going to be 9. But that's not your answer. It's not 20% off 45, it's off. So now you take it off £45. So 45, 35, 36 is your answer. Lovely. I hope you did okay with those. Obviously, once you've done that, I'm getting a lot of emails saying that you're quite enjoying the math sheets. Maybe just a little bit meatier, which is good because we're in the last half term of year 5 now. So, you know, it sounds good. But just to check that you've got the right ones. So Thursday, it's ordering and comparing. I know at the start it looks like it's the same, but that it's to make you familiar and get thinking about the decimals in that way. So ordering decimals, I think there's much that's going to catch you out here. Don't forget, obviously, those 2 pages are the same. Remember what ascending is. So ascend is, you know, to go up. It's probably more just this one here, really. Take the numbers that are equal to 2.5, circle the numbers that are, so basically write these out, but think about some of these ones. Now you are well within, but this is well within your capability. You know what 5/10 is as a decimal. You know what that one is as a decimal, and that one, and that one, and that one. Okay, so you should be able to have a look at those. But so convert, like it says, convert them first, and then you should do that one quite quickly. Okay, so good luck with that, guys, and well done.